So this video shows the implementation of stacks as an array. So using NetBeans, we will be creating a new project. Okay, so we have to name our project and specify the location. For the project name, I will be naming this one as stacks underscore array. And we will check this one, create main class. Okay, finish. Now, for the stack operations, we will be creating another Java class, and we will name this one as stack. Okay, then finish. For this one, we will be importing a package of scanner, since we will allow the user to enter the value to be pushed into the stack. Then, so we have to import java.util. Okay. So inside this class, we will be we have to identify the top. Then for the array, we need to specify the max size, in which case we have 10 as an initial value. And then we will be having the list, okay, or the stack list we have here, or the stack array is equal to new and the max size. After that, we will create a method for checking if the stack is empty, and we will be having the return type of this method, which is boolean is empty. Okay, so we have here is empty, and then so this method will return if top is less than 0. Okay, the next method, okay, we forgot to put the constructor. Public stack. So this is the default constructor. For this default constructor, we'll set the top to -1. So the initial value of top is -1. So for the stack that is an empty state, the top is -1. And then we need to have the method we can have the boolean, or we can have the void method. For this time, we'll be using the boolean method for adding a new element. And here, okay, we will be asking the user to enter the value for our stack. Then after here, we have to evaluate if top is if our stack is full. So if top is equal to the max size -1, then our stack is full. So we need to return a message that Okay, the shortcut. System.out.println um, overflow. To have overflow. Next, to return false. Then after that is the else statement that will return, or that will, yeah, return, since our this method is of boolean data type or boolean return type. So okay, we will be asking the user to enter the value. So we need to have the local variable like value is equal to scan dot in. And next, we need to increase the top by 1. After that, the name of our array or stack array is stack r. We will put the value that is entered by the user to our top. And after that, we will return a message that item that is pushed successfully. Then after that, we need to return true. Okay. Next, I will create a method for pop. And yeah, it's of type boolean also. Okay. So this one, we don't need to specify the value to be popped, but whatever on the top will be removed. So we need to evaluate if our stack is empty. So if stack is -1, so we need to return the underflow exception. And after returning the exception, we need to return a value that is false. Okay, so after that, we have here else if our stack is not empty, we need to decrease the top of that is decreased by 1, and after that we need to display a message that is item popped. Then after that, we need to return a message true, since we have successfully popped an item. Then after that, so after having the push and pop methods, we need to create a method to display. Okay, that is to display all the items in our array. So for this one, it's just okay. We'll just try to label it properly. printing stock elements. Then for the loop um, to traverse the all the elements in the list, wherein we will start from top, and then I is greater than or equal to 0, then I minus minus. So after that, we need to display. Okay, we'll be using the print, and instead of displaying all the items in a vertical form, we need the horizontal form. So display the items between the spaces. Okay. Okay, we have. All right. So now we have the necessary methods for our stack. So we can already use these methods. So we have our stack array, stacks underscore array, wherein our main method is located. So here, okay, we'll try to make it this method as amino driven. So a local variable like choice, which is initially 0 as sign value. So and also we need to make this one as dynamic. So let the user enter amino of choice. So we need to import a package. Okay, so import java.util. Okay, so we need to import a package util so that we can use this scanner class. Okay, so after having a local variable choice that is initialized to 0, we will we'll be using an object scanner for the input stream object. New scanner that is system dot. Okay. So after that, we will be creating an object of stack, and we will name this one as s is equal to new stack. Then after that, okay, just display this is for the stack operations. Okay, we, small p, and then we need to have like just printing the okay, so let's try to format our program that is presentable to the users. So here we will be using amino driven a while loop. We'll be using the while loop, or in order that this program or the menu, the operations will be popped back to the user until he will exit the program. Okay, choice is not equal to 4. So okay, so we have to display the menu, like choose from the menu, and the menu is here, like for okay, one for push, okay, slash n, one is push, then slash n, two is pop, then slash n, three is um we'll try to display the top. Okay, the slash n, number four, sorry, we have here display slash n, number 5 we have exit. Okay, so we are going to modify this one is 5. Okay, so okay, we'll let the user enter menu of choice. So enter your choice. We have here slash n, and here choice is equal to scan at okay. Then we'll be using cases or switch statement um, for allowing the user to choose. Okay, for case 1, we have here, sorry. Okay, dot push, and we have to pass scan, and then we break. Then after that, case 2, now case 2, we need to have the okay, the pop. It doesn't have a parameter for the actual parameter. So after having this one, we need to have a break and have one line. Okay, to save space. And also case number 3. Okay, case number 3 is to, sorry, okay, that top. Let me check if top is ready here. Top element. Now let's try to have the top element display the top element. Okay, that is um, let's try to have the void like that element just to display. Now we need to evaluate if our list is not empty. If top is equal to -1, then meaning our stack is empty. Um, stack is empty. Else, just display the top element A, which is stack R, which is the name of our array. The top, right? The top element. Now number 4, sorry, we need to have the break statement. Okay, then case 4, so we need to call the display, then break. Then after that, we need to have the case 5, which is the break. Okay, exiting and um, zero. And of course, the break statement. Okay, so we can also we will include also the default item, okay, which print the if the user will enter a choice that is out of range. Say please enter a valid number. Save. Now let's try to run. Okay, so we have here 1. Let's try to push 10. 2, when 2 is pop. Okay, now let's try to pop from an empty stack so it's under flow. Let's try to push again. 1, 10, 1, 20, push 30, and when you display for 30, 20, and 10, in which 30 is the top. And let's try to the next time we are going to modify our program that display the items in a vertical form. Okay, that is to illustrate and to show that the top element is 50. Now let's try to display the top 3. So it's 30. Okay, and exit. Now let's try to alter our program. Okay, that the display would be in a vertical format. Okay, here display, let's have the I'll end.